Cause get me out right here. We are going to the store. Wow. Oh. So we're going to the store right now. And it's raining outside. That's why you see me with a coat on. Hold on, let's go.
He's having crazy fun this summer. I mean, he had fun last summer.
There's Dad. Dad, look it. Dad.
Gucci watch.
Really?
That's how we do it.
Really?
This is how we do. Red Adidas, red shirt. Our favorite color. Everybody's around here.
Wait, Dad.
Bring it on in the summertime. Adidas, the Portuguese ones.
So here we go. It's not where I live. I live right over there. Almost fell.
No, then I gotta go down there and pull out a hole.
That way, one sec.
Come on.
Okay, guys. Here we go. Oh, good. Here's the view of my walking. We're just going to the store. So we're just going to the store. Can I take my shirt off, Dad?
No. That's how they used to do to me. Remember I told you when I worked, I worked during school. There was summer. I wasn't getting paid, so it's just for the first.
So guys, still walking to the store. I think we're almost there.
I tried to work because I knew it. I tried to have 70-hour weeks just to hobby up.
Here we go.
I'd be like, when I do that, I'd be like $50 off. I'd be like,
here we go.
But then the next week, I'll work 80 hours.
Here it is. That's not the story. Oh, look, they're doing some construction work. I think you guys can see it. I don't know if you can. But they're doing construction work over there. Eric.
Who got a fucking
I wish I could take this off.
No, sorry. You're a little kid.
Man, stop running out on me. Marco? I'll get in contact with her.
Whoa, look how Dad, look how tall this grass is.
Parade. They'll
Hi,
cut it when the parade comes, that's it.
When the one comes?
Right here. That's like across the street. I'm surprised they did it that early. You know, last year they did it. They before
Oh, snap.
across the lot across the street. They always cut it right before the parade.
Dad, when are we gonna have a parade?
Wait, next month?
Yeah.
Dad, when are we gonna have a parade?
Next month.
Okay.
Oh, you're almost done with school this month, though.
Yeah. Oh, Dad, there's a paper for a field trip. I want to have you sign it today,
It
okay?
needs to be hot as hell already instead of this.
Here we go.
Yo, someone told me her house on the corner over there. On this side, big one. That yellow one right here. On the corner, look, the next one right there. And I used to serve her, and I told her, I was like, yo, I can't fuck with you. She goes, oh, yeah, I know.
Oh, the black shit?
Yeah, nigga.
Oh, you talking about the one that be running around with all the bags and shit?
I know what that is. Yeah. Look at that beach. Boat. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all like the pictures on the wall. Then here's like the movie theater, I guess. guess that's like a movie theater. I don't want to say movie theater. Basically a movie, right? It's not the movie theater. Okay. Look at the pole. There's the pole.
Come on, nigga. That is the real way.
Dad, we're going to get my randoms.
Yeah, that happens to me all the time right there, nigga. That's like the old lady you talked to first. That black lady right here. Yeah, white dude.
Oh my god, my phone was wet. It's raining. I just have the coat off. I don't have my coat off. I don't like to take off my coat. Sometimes I do. Well, look at the reflection. The bounces off right there. That's all that is. Imagine GTA 5. Me jumping off from there, parachuting onto that building. Where are we gonna go?
I'll see you there in a minute. Come on, bro.
I gotta go get my randoms. Got you in the video.
That's right, me and my son chilling. Film the watch, buddy, that's gonna be yours. Yeah, the real deal Gucci. It's gonna be my son. Then with the pinky ring with the real diamonds.
I already got real diamonds, Dad.
I know, but you're gonna get it in a necklace.
Oh, Dad.
I'm gonna get you a ring like that.
I don't wanna watch like that.
No, I'm gonna get you a nice watch. You wanna
I want the watch that has the numbers built into it.
yeah,
Like the automatic kind of one.
what the hell's it called?
The one that Uncle Brandon
Yes, I'm
has.
trying to think of the name of it.
Is it called the
G-Shock.
automatic? G-Shock? G-Shock?
Shock.
Oh, G-Shock. So easy. G-Shock.
It's a G-Shock, buddy.
So it looks like that right there. Except it has the time. Did you forget it?
Yep.
Oh, wow. Wow. Shit. What do you need it for? Call B. Here's the store. Oh, no. God, my phone's about to die. So, guys, I want to show you guys what I'm going to get first. I gotta show you guys what I'm going to get first. Where is it? Where are they?
Oh my God. Right here.
Where? Yep, right here. Here's what I'm getting. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here. And I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. Peace.